Let's start with daily chart. If we consider weeks, then we have this triangle pattern that have 1700 in its range with baseline as support at 1445. Yesterday we have red candle on daily chart which show potential sign of reversal. If you are bearish, you can have your entry now with SL between 1661 to 75. On intraday chart 4 hour, we have clear picture ascending bullish page, horizontal resistance at 1644 and lower trend line of this wedge are almost near. Break and close below these two lines will confirm bearish trend. If we go deeper, then we have multiple red candle with increasing volume waiting for breakout or reversal. This was a technical analysis. If we talk about fundamental analysis, then we have FOMC meeting today. Indecision is shown on 4-hour chart with many spinning top. Whatever happen, we have target for both sell and buy. Subscribe for daily price analysis.